So, am I completely crazy? I soaked 2 of my paint brushes in masking fluid because I wanted to see if I could figure out how to remove masking fluid if we accidentally do this. So, as you can see, well, they were old paintbrushes. This was a really cheap Artist Loft paintbrush, so I didn't really care if I run it. And this is just one of my old synthetic paintbrushes that I use when I'm giving workshops. So stay tuned because I'm going to try a couple of things. I'll let you know. Okay, so this is what happened using this masking fluid, Watercolor Masking Fluid by HWC. My brush is completely coated. See, it's completely coated. So, let's see what happens. So Karen Rice has a video out that Karen Rice Fine Art has a video out that talks about sticky stuff remover by Office Express. I don't know if that's in the UK or what, but I sure can't find anything like that here in the US. So I've been on the lookout for something that would take this off of my brush. So far, I've had absolutely no luck finding anything. So we're going to try this. It's called Goof Off. Says it works the first time. It's pro strength. And it takes off dried latex paint and asphalt and tar. And that kind of, this is a latex-based product. So I thought it might have a possibility. So let's just try it. So here we go. Is it going to take it off? Ah, I just splashed it. Yuck. I sure don't want to splash this stuff. Well, my brush is definitely getting more pliable. Guys, it's coming off. It's completely coming off. I've saved my brush. Now this is a synthetic brush. I don't know how this will work on a natural hairbrush like your Kolinsky Sable. That's actually what Karen Rice used hers. She accidentally had masking fluid dry on a Kolinsky Sable. Now just a word of warning. Before you use masking fluid, you're supposed to dip it in liquid soap, like a liquid dish soap. I use Dawn. I didn't this time. I kind of didn't do that. And this is what happens. It dries, and technically it will ruin your brush, and we used to just completely throw our brushes away. But if we can find something that could get it off, or have a possibility of getting it off. And I'm really happy to report it's gone. It's completely off of here. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to paint with it and see how it paints. But I don't see anything left. It is completely out of here. It's not in the bristles at all. All the bristles are opening up the way they should. I have my paintbrush back. It splays out. Can you see this? Whoops. Can you see this? It splays out just like it should. There we go. See how it splays out just like it should? Don't know if you're supposed to touch this stuff. It removes asphalt and tar, adhesives and glue, and dried latex paint. And I really wasn't doing a product review, but my goodness, Goof Off. Pro Strength Remover. So, yeah, it worked. It took it off. So, there you have it. We have something that'll take masking fluid off of our brushes now. At least off of our synthetic brushes. If somebody wants to try it on their natural hairbrush, if they accidentally get it on their natural hairbrush, be my guest. I choose not to use my natural hairbrushes for masking fluid. I always and only use synthetic brushes for masking fluid. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tip helpful. Bye.